you're gonna ride, you gotta ride right. Houston's car culture is largely built around what we know today as the SLAB. SLAB's an acronym for slow, loud, and banging. And when you're talking cars in Houston, man, the Vogue tire is gonna be the best tires. When people see you come down and you riding Vogues, they know you're not playing. You know what you're doing. You know how you're trying to ride. You know how you're trying to be seen. You know how you're trying to represent. The white stripe always stood out. My dad's generation rode a yellow stripe. I ride a yellow stripe. My son can ride a yellow stripe. My grandson might want to ride red stripe. And that's cool. As long as he riding Vogues, he'll do injustice to his family. And that's what riding Vogue says, that you're putting in the time and the effort to do what it takes so that you can ride Vogues. When you see that tire coming down the street, it personifies class. It personifies love for your car. It personifies effort. And it definitely personifies looking good as you know what.